The Presidential Steering Committee on COVID-19 has extended the ban on flights from Brazil, Turkey and India by 4 weeks. PSC Chairman Mr. Boss Mustafa made this known at the national briefing on COVID-19 in Abuja. According to Mustafa, the PSC has been reviewing these restrictions and is of the opinion that they should remain for another 4 weeks before it is further reviewed. Mustafa also disclosed that Zambia, Rwanda, Namibia and Uganda were being monitored as the COVID-19 cases continue to rise in those countries.
A few weeks ago, we announced additional measures to be met by passengers arriving from Brazil, Turkey, and India. This action was due to the prevalence of variants of concern and the dangers associated with importation of such virulent strain. In addition to these 3 countries, the PSC has also shifted its focus on some African countries, South Africa inclusive. Zambia, Rwanda, Namibia, and Uganda fall in this category. South Africa, for example, recorded over 100,000 cases in the last 1 week, while 20,000 were recorded in the last 24 hours. The 4 major variants of concern are now classified as Alpha. That's the variant from the UK, Beta. That's the variant from South Africa, Gamma, the one from Brazil, and Delta, the Indian variant. The Delta variant, which has wreaked devastating havoc, is not yet found in Nigeria, hence the need to tighten our borders and be more vigilant.
On the ban of passengers who violated the COVID-19 protocols on arrival, he had this to say.
About 6 months ago, following the violation of protocols by some inbound passengers to Nigeria, travel documents were barred for a period of 6 months. We have reviewed several appeals from those affected, while we counsel on the importance of compliance with rules and regulations. The 6-month period of ban on the first batch of 100 is almost complete. And we use this opportunity to reassure Nigerians that sanctions will be imposed on violators of measures put in place to protect them and safeguard our nation.
The SGF also gave an update on the work from home directive for some federal workers.
For over 6 months, federal government employees on grade level 12 and below have been observing work from home instructions. The restriction remains in place until further notice in order to avoid a third wave.